Microsoft Office document is locked for editing by another user. A few of my users are in and out of various Excel 2007 spreadsheets all day. One of them reports that 50% of the time she tries to open a spreadsheet from the file server, an information message comes up stating, Foo.xlsx is locked for editing by another user. Open read-only or click Notify to open read-only and receive notification when the document is no longer in use. Nine times out of 10 the document is not opened by another user. My users immediately try to open the same document again, and it works. I imagine this is caused by Excel leaving owner files on the server, but I do not know why. An added clue, when one of my users selects Notify, a dialog pops up in a moment informing them the file is available for them to edit. Any guidance on how to solve this issue and make my users' days flow better?
Straight from Microsoft KV 313472. This behavior may occur if Word determines that the owner file for the document already exists. This may occur if one or more of the following conditions are true. Word previously quit improperly and, therefore, did not delete the owner file. Or, a second instance of Word is running in the background with a document already open. Or, the document is shared over a network and another user has it open. From my personal experience, I found a combination of the first and third point above can recreate this error quite constantly. Temp files, left next to the original file on the network, especially if the file is large, she copy-pastes a lot of Word is open all day, are the cause. To resolve this issue, first confirm that another user on the network does not have the document open. If the document is in use, open the document as read-only. If it is not in use, quit all instances of Word and then remove the owner file. To do so, follow these steps. Note, because there are several versions of Microsoft Windows, the following steps may be different on your computer. If they are, see your product documentation to complete these steps. Quit all instances of Word. To do so, follow these steps. 1. Save all your work, and then quit all programs. 2. Press Ctrl Alt Delete to open the Windows Security dialog box. 3. Click Task Manager, and then click the Processes tab. 4. Click winword.exe, and then click End Process. 5. In the Task Manager warning dialog box, click Yes. If you receive a message that states that the program is not responding, click End Now. 6. Repeat steps D and E for each occurrence of winword.exe. 7. On the File menu, click Exit Task Manager. Start Windows Explorer, and then browse to the folder that contains the document file that you tried to open when you received the error message. Delete the owner file. The owner file is located in the same folder as the document that you tried to open. The owner file name uses the following convention. It begins with a tilde, followed by a $, followed by the remainder of the document file name. The file name extension is doc. For example, the owner file for document.doc is named $document.doc. Start Word. If Word asks you whether you want to load the changes that were made to the global or normal template, click No. Open your document. Additional note for documents shared over a network. If there are multiple people that could be editing the doc, it can sometimes be hard to figure out who might have the doc open. As shown on Tech Talk Madness, the best way to find the answer is to use computer management on the system that hosts the shared file. Go to Computer Management in GT, System Tools in GT, Shared Folders in GT, Open Files, to find out who has a document locked. If the user can't be contacted to disconnect themselves, you can forcefully do so by right-clicking the locked file and selecting Close Open File. Warning: the user might lose their changes.
Try turning off details and preview in Explorer. I just had this problem and the MS Knowledge Base article was no help. Tell other users to close the document. This is a shared Excel workbook. They're supposed to be opened by multiple users. Anyway, what solved our problem was by turning the Details tab off in Explorer. This is under Windows 7. Click Organize where the menu bar is normally, then Layout, then make sure Details is unticked, and also Preview by the sounds of it. Doing this immediately fixed our problem. It seems that with the Details tab visible it keeps the file open for too long and Office apps can't then access it. This also explains why people were having problems opening documents they had created themselves and nobody else was using.
Try turning off the indexing service. I had this and resolved it by turning off indexing service in Windows. The effect was instant, so I suspect indexing service had deadlocked on the file in question. On XP, turn off indexing service like this: click the Start button, then search. From the window that opens, choose Change Preferences, bottom left. Click Without Indexing Service, the No, Do Not Enable Indexing Service radio button, and OK. I found the problem by downloading Handle.x. Handle.x tells you which program has the file open, and in my case it turned out to be Cydemon.x. A quick Google confirmed that it is the actual indexer of Windows indexing service. Thanks Microsoft, another 2 hours of value added to my day.
Maybe incompatible Office versions? I've seen this error today, when another user genuinely did have the file open. The problem was that Excel tells the second user that it's another user rather than reporting the first user's actual name, making it difficult to work out who has it open. I assumed this should be the name in the Office/Excel options. This is set correctly for both users. In our case, the first user with the file open is on Excel 2007, the second user is on Excel 2010. Perhaps there's some incompatibility which causes the second user's Excel to be unable to get the real name. Update: install patch to fix name resolution. Update 12 Sept 2012, load.
你给我晚上送到你的汉呢，不要再让取代数字提名。